Hi everyone, so this is a video on sign up on Gigafro. So we'll get straight into it. So first we want to go to gigafro.com. So I'm already so we are here at gigafro.com. So this is the home page of gigafro.com. Then we want to go through the process of how to sign up as a freelancer. So if you already signed up, you can log in here, and if you are not, you can sign up here, or you can just select sign up now. But I'll select sign up here. You select your role either as a freelancer or as a business owner. But for the course of this tutorial, I'm going to sign up as a freelancer. So I click on selected freelancer already by default, so select continue. You have to fill out all the information here. Now, if you should fill out all this information correctly in respect to your national identity, because when you are verifying your identity. So I'm going to get started with my name of my last name, then my username. I'm going to use some code. Then I'm going to add my email address, then phone number. So now my password. Yes, and you accept the terms and conditions. You verify you are not a robot. Then you select sign up now, and wait a minute to do this thing. Then you get an email, verify your account, say please check email inbox / spam for verification code. So let's go to my email and let's refresh. Okay, let's check spam message. Yeah, you have a code here already. You take the code and you put it here, then verify the account. Yes, and that is it for this video. You are fully signed in. And what we need to do next is now fill up the profile. I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm going to be doing that in another video. So I hope this was helpful. You can subscribe for you to get the next video. Thank you very much.